The purpose of this video is to assist you while making your log report for IHT. This will help our software developers solve the problem with your system so that you can continue to use our products. Lois is Director of Education. You can reach out to her. My name is Bev Brown. I'm Director of Customer Success. And all log reports should be emailed directly to Jessica at ihtUSA.com. She is our Director of Operations. After you open your computer and you get to the desktop, there's 4 windows in the bottom left-hand corner. Left-click on those 4 windows. Near the top of that menu, you'll have IHT Spirit. Right-click on that icon. Then slide down to where it says More, and you're going to go Open File Location. After you open that window, the next screen will say Create IHT Log Files. And what you're going to do is you're going to save that. So if I send that, you can send it to email and then send that to Jessica at ihtUSA.com. Or you can copy it and then take it to your desktop. It will be a zip file right there. Then open up your emails and send that zip file. So either way is fine. You can either right click on it and send it immediately, or copy it, put it on your desktop, and then send it to Jessica at ihtUSA.com.